You would not have the Jay-Z's, the Nas, the Fat Joes without the Kool Hercs, the Cold Crush Brothers, Grandmaster Flash, and the Furious Five. This is where hip-hop began, in the Bronx.
Said G, hold your mag. It's all about the faction with the Black Prophets. Goes like this, check it, check it.
I say what is rap and you're pointing to a gun. When I say what is hip-hop, then most of y'all run. The truth of the matter is a picture that's been painted around the real culture that should be separated. Far from the media, back to the block. You know that is crazy when some turn pop. Axe Kool Herc, yeah, that from Jamaica, from the Caribbean to the East Coast America. He came with a speaker, dropped the maddest beats, then went crazy, can't control their feet. The dancers formulated, the break dance was